Hello everyone, myself Kumaravel Kadai, Excel Finishing School. In this video, I am going to explain you how to combine multiple sheets and then create a pivot table by using Power Query. See here, let's see what we are going to do here. Here there are four sheets are given. We need to analyze, we need to create a pivot table of how many employees in each shift and then how many how much productivity has done, average productivity, what are the aggregation we want, we can do once we combine. Traditionally, what we do is we will be adding below one by one and then we create the pivot table. It takes time. To avoid that, Power Query, it is very simple. We can use the Power Query and then combine multiple sheets. Here, actually, there's a sheet as well as a table also. Now, first step, we need to ensure that all the tables are in the same format. Now it is a table. Okay, you can see here it's all in the same format. Okay, the first column is employee name and the second column is a productivity. After that, once everything is clean, everything is in organized, then you can go to the data, get data, and then click on the from other sources. You can see the Power Query, the blank query. When you click on this blank query, it will lead to the Power Query editor. In this Power Query editor, in the formula bar, you type equal to Excel, capital E, okay, and then give a tab, Excel.CurrentWorkbook. It is a case sensitive, so E, C, and W should be in a capital. And then give enter. Now you can see here the content inside and then the name is come. The name is nothing but the sheet name. It's a table name actually. So now I'm moving to the left side. So the name should be in the left and then the content should be there. Now, this is actually the name is nothing but a shift time, right? You can edit this. If you want, you can edit like a shift. SHIFT. I'm changing the heading of the thing. Instead of name, I'm adding the shift. And then now here the content is given. So I'm going to expand this table of content, everything. What are the things inside each table? It will come. So this is the arrow where you can give expand. When you give expand, there is a standard rule. Click on load more because we need to load all the things. So that's why you click on the load more, all the rows, and then usually you need to untick this original column name as a prefix. Otherwise, what will come now? Content dot employee name, content dot productivity. It will come like that. So that's why what we are going to do is we are untick that, use the original column name as a prefix and then give OK. Now you can see all the shift data are consolidated. That is collab. What we can say is all the it is everything is copied down. You can see here. Very simple step. If it is a 100 table also, we can do it in a very less time. We can do it. Now, what we are going to do is before loading this, that is in always there is something called in data analytics ETL, extract data, transform data, load data. Before loading, now we are done a transform. Transform is nothing but cleaning and combining. All those things happens. Now, what we are going to do is before loading, you need to ensure all the number column, that numeric column, numeric field should be in a numeric and then date field should be in a date. Rest general, all those things, nothing problem. Here the shift is not a numeric and then employee name also is not a numeric, but productivity is a numeric. Now it is actually in ABC 123. It is nothing but a general. Now you need to change as a whole number. So you select here. You can either you choose decimal number or a whole number. It is not a problem. So you select this whole number. When you click on the whole number, it will change to the things. See, in the right hand side, what are the steps we have done? Everything is recorded. Okay. Now, what we are going to do is, I'm going to explain you how to load this and then go to close and load. Okay. Now, it is loaded for the pivot thing. See, only in this, when you are loading this multiple table, a multiple sheet, you need to do one more last step, nothing but uh, once again you click on query 2, okay, and then it will open to the Power Query editor. Here, can you see there is a shift query 2 is comes. So what we have to do is we need to remove this query 2 shift. So for that, go here and then you can untick this query 2 and then give OK. After that, now close and load. It's only one time you're supposed to do this. Then you can do the, what you can do, then you can do for the pivot table. See, go to the insert as usual, pivot table, and then now new sheet. Now I'm using this employee name, sorry, productivity in the value column, and then shifts in the rows. Now you can see. See, for example, now you got one more shift. Let's take this shift to be in evening. Okay, to I will duplicate this, move or copy, and then I will move to the end and then create a copy and then give OK. And then let's rename as special. Rename as what? Special. But here, see here, I'm renamed only the sheet, but I want to rename the table also. How to rename? Select the table and then go to table design. You can see there is a evening 7. Actually, it is not evening 7. We can give the special. I just no need that special should be the same spelling here there. It's not required. So I changed a special SPECIAL, but sheet name is SPL. See, once we done, just go to the query for getting that special also in this main one. So what we do is we do the refresh here. See, when you go down, you can see that the special is there. Similarly, if you want to see it in the pivot also, select this and then go and click on the refresh in the pivot analyze. Now can you see like this you can load many sheets altogether. Only one condition is all should be in the same format. Everything should be not in a range, it should be in a table. Okay, so this video will be useful for you. Practice. I will put in the there is a description also. You can see for the description. Thank you.